Hello friends, in this video tutorial, we will make CRUD application in Laravel 7 framework by using Laravel Livewire framework. Now in your mind, what is Laravel Livewire framework? It is a full stack package which we can use at the front end side in your Laravel framework application. With help of this Laravel Livewire package, we can run PHP script without using JavaScript, or jQuery or Ajax. Laravel Livewire is a magical package for all PHP developers who have used Ajax to execute PHP scripts. So, by using this Laravel Livewire package, we will make a CRUD application for learning how to use Laravel Livewire package for web development. First, we want to learn how to install the Laravel Livewire package in our Laravel 7 framework and create an environment for making CRUD applications. So, first we want to download the Laravel 7 framework. So we have to go to the command terminal and go to the directory in which we want to install Laravel 7th framework. And here we have write composer create project prefer district Laravel/Laravel Livewire. So this command will make Livewire folder under this directory. And under that Livewire folder, it will download and install Laravel 7 framework. Here this process of downloading Laravel 7 framework will take some time. After downloading Laravel 7 framework, here we can see downloaded file, and now first we want to make database connection. So, we have opened this .environment file, and here we have defined MySQL database configuration like MySQL host is equal to localhost, database name set to testing, user name set to root, and password is equal to blank, so it will make database connection. After making database connection, we want to make table in MySQL database, so we have go to command prompt terminal. And here we have to write commands like PHP artisan make migration with sample data, and press enter. This command will make a migration file. For an open migration file, we have to go to the database directory, and from this directory, we have to go to the migrations folder, and here we can see a newly created migration file. So, we have opened this migration file, and here we can see up and down method. First we have a go to up method, and here we have write schema class with create method, and under this method we have write table name sample data, and second parameter we have write callback function. Under this function we can define a table column, so here we have write $table with an ID method. It will create an ID primary key. After this, we have to write a $table variable with a text method, and under this, we have to write a first name, so it will create a first name table column. For creating a last name table column, here we have write $table variable with a text method, and under this, we have write last name. Same way for creating a gender table column, we have write $table variable with text method, and under this, we have write gender. Lastly, we want to create timestamps table columns. We have to write a $table variable with timestamps method. So here our up method is read. This method will create a sample data table at your MySQL database. After this, we have a go to down method, and here we have write schema class with drop if exists method, and under this, we have write sample data table name. This method will do reverse migration. Now we want to migrate this table definition to MySQL database. For this, we have go to command prompt and write php artisan migrate command. This command will migrate table definition to MySQL database, and it will make a sample data table. Now we have gone to MySQL database. And here we can see that sample data table has been created in our testing database, with table columns like ID, first name, last name, gender, created and updated at table column. Next, we want to create a model class for performing MySQL database operation. So we have to go to the command prompt. And here, we have write php artisan make model with model name sample data, and press enter. So this command will create sample data model class file. For open this model class file, we have to go to the app folder. And here we can see sample data.php model class file. So, we have opened this file, and here, we have written a protected $fillable variable is equal to table column like first name, last name and gender in array format. So, we have successfully created a model class. Now we have proceeded to install a Livewire package into our Laravel application. For this, we have gone to the command prompt. And here, we have write composer require livewire/livewire. This command will download and install Livewire package in our Laravel application. Once the Livewire download process is complete, now we want to create a Livewire component for our CRUD application. Here, we have write php artisan make Livewire with component name posts, and press enter. This command will create posts component in our Laravel 7 application. For C Livewire posts class, we have to go to the app folder, and here we can see the HTTP folder. And here we can see the Livewire folder, and under this folder, we can see posts.php file. This Livewire class for backend operation. And for view Livewire front-end file, we have to go to the resources folder, and here we have to view the folder, and under this Livewire folder, so all the front-end file has been stored under this folder. So, in this part, we have learned how to download Laravel 7 framework, and then after, we have seen how to download and install Livewire packages in our Laravel framework, and then after, we have seen how to create Livewire components. In the next part, we will proceed to make CRUD application in Laravel framework using Livewire package, and in that part, we will load data in table by using Livewire package.